Sunshine Digital has lots of free materials. Let's take a quick look at what's available to you. When you're looking at the calendar, click Extras at the top of the page. The first link, the Getting Started Guide, leads you to a booklet that provides tips on getting started with Funshine curriculum. The Activities to Assess link shows quarterly lists of suggested activities for assessment. Click in, choose your age group, and open the list. Click Additional Training from Funshine Express to learn more about our webinars and on-site training. We have many pre-recorded trainings available on demand. Watch your email for announcements of new trainings throughout the year. Under Business Tools, we have many classroom freebies to help you support children, connect with families, market your program, and keep your business organized. Let's take a look. At the top of the page, we have specific resources for infants, toddlers, and preschoolers. Let's take a look at some preschool resources now. You can find digital character counts, social stories, sign language cards, recipes, and more. The Getting Started link provides support information for teachers whether you're just getting started in early childhood education or simply new to using Funshine Digital. Here you'll find links to the Getting Started Guide, our program overview, writer's perspectives, and educational philosophy. Let's take a look at the For the Classroom link. This link provides helpful forms and certificates, extra calendar pieces, classroom displays, and more. Connecting with Families provides family guides, marketing information, and forms to help communication flow between school and home. For your convenience, we've translated many items into Spanish. You'll find newsletters, calendars, forms, and more to help you connect with families. Finally, we've included theme-related coloring pages and full sets of letter and numeral practice pages to add to your program. Back on the Extras page, the Daily Lesson Resources area provides links to all teacher-related materials used in the current year of Funshine curricula. If you lose a display or teacher resource, you can find and print a copy here. All of these materials are included in our starter pack as well. They're all printed in full color on durable paper, and many items are laminated. You can purchase these for ages 0 to 3 or 3 to 5 by clicking the link here. If you're looking for bulletin board ideas for your class, click this link. Ideas are organized by month and theme for the current year. The digital music link takes you to a page where you can search by age group, month, theme, and title for music in Funshine Digital. Search and click on any of the links to play songs through your favorite Bluetooth device. We provide theme-related book lists by month to help you choose age-appropriate books to have on hand for children to explore. These are the same book lists you see in station activities in Funshine curricula. Click the link to view them. Keep families informed about classroom happenings with our family newsletters. Print or download and attach them to emails for families. Be sure to encourage families to send back the interactive portions of the newsletters. In the Practice Pages link, we offer sets of printables that focus on the letters, numbers, colors, and shapes introduced monthly for ages 3 to 5. And finally, we have more monthly enrichment opportunities for older preschoolers. Here you'll find links to word family practice, sight word practice, and blank handwriting sheets. If you have any questions about any of our free extras, please don't hesitate to contact us.